Hello my friends, how are you? I hope you are doing very well, and so today's we are going to discuss the process to remove background from an image. And today we are going to we are going to show you the process to remove background from any image using Adobe Photoshop AI Generative Fill, and the second one is Canva Pro. Yes, you are right that we are going to compare the both. So after the AI has been in the news, Adobe Photoshop has brought brought an upgrade to Adobe Photoshop, and this update is called Adobe Photoshop AI Generative Fill. So it is known that this feature has made several complex processes very simpler, easier, and faster. So today we are going to see if this feature has also made the background removal easier, faster, and in fact much better than before. um, and on the other hand we are going to compare it with Canva Pro. So let's start the process, and we are first going to remove background using Adobe Photoshop. So let's start Adobe Photoshop. We have started it, and the image we are going to use is our mandala image. We have a mandala image, from which we are going to remove the background. So no here is the photo from which we have to remove this background. In fact, we have to start out of Photoshop AI generative. So let's start that. First, Photoshop Photoshop 2024. No, not this one. Photoshop beta. Yes, we have to start the Photoshop beta because this is the latest one that comes with AI feature. And on the other hand, we have already opened Canva Pro, in which we will upload this file as well. So let's upload the file here as well, so that your time is saved as well. We will go to the desktop. We'll select this image and open it. Use in a new design. Yes, okay. Add to a template. So now here you can see that Canva has given us several templates to be used, but so let's open this template, customize this, and here is the image. We will remove the background from Canva later, but let's first see how Adobe Photoshop AI has been on it. Let's open the image in Photoshop. Okay, so here is the photo. We have to remove these corners from this image so that we can use it in our design. Okay, so let's unlock the file, and now you see this is a here you can see the button remove background. So as per the AI feature, we just need to click this button, and the background from this image will be removed automatically. Okay, that's amazing. The work which you were doing earlier, by spending a lot of time, now it can be done in just in one click. So let's click the button. We have clicked the button. AI has started this work. Let's see the result. So this is the result. You see, apart from the background, some part of the image has gone as well. However, we can recover it using the mask. We can go to select and mask. We can create a mask and then recover that part. But let's see how Canva works on this, and how Canva how Canva can remove the background from this image, will that be better or even worse than Photoshop? The Photoshop has done a good job but not a great one. No, Photoshop AI has not done a great job, especially in this case, for this image. So let's see how Canva works. So we have selected the image in Canva. Now in Canva, under effects, we have this tool called BG remover. We will simply click this. First we will select the image, then we will click the edit photo button, and then we will click this BG remover. Let's see how it works. Maybe it is better or not. Let's see. Oh, that's a surprise. Now you see it has worked much better than you know Adobe Photoshop AI Generative Fill, but both have both have some limitations. For example, if you look at Adobe Photoshop, see, it has removed a big part of the image as well, whereas in Canva, a little bit part from this, if you look at this circle, a little bit part from this has been removed. So now what you can do is you can download this image, take it back into the Photoshop and fix this, or you can make use of this select and mask feature and regenerate this portion. So this is how this Adobe AI Generative Fills remove background feature has worked, and this is how Canva has worked. So no, in my opinion, for this particular image, Canva has done a better job than Photoshop. Do write a comment about after watching the video and tell me know which one has worked better for you. Maybe Photoshop has worked better for your image than Canva. So let's see. And guys, if you have liked my video, please do like, subscribe and share, as every like, shares and subscribe matters to me, and it helps grow the channel. Thank you so much. I will be coming back again with a new video. Thank you.